Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is going to be the next 24 hours for all signs. Just in case your sun sign doesn't resonate with you, please check out your moon, Venus or your ascendant. Okay, that's your rising. I am damn sure one of them will. And just quickly before I start the reading, I'd like to say I am offering personal readings. So just in case you want a personal reading from me, you'll find all the details in the description box below. So without wasting time, let's start. I have already shuffled the deck for all the signs and I'm going to start with Aries. So for the next 24 hours, Aries, you have the Page of Wands. Can you see it? Yes. The Hermit and the Ace of Wands. So alright. So I see something good, a new opportunity coming up for you, Aries. I see something that you, in the past, in regards to this action, this thing which is going to start new for you, or going to be there's going to be a new outlook or a new breakthrough in something that you've already dealt with. But whatever you have dealt with in the past, it was very immature. Probably the way you handled it was very immature. But currently, the phase that you spent since that time till date has been a lot of, it's very wise, you see. There's a lot of reflection, a lot of thinking that you've put into this. There's a lot of research, analysis that you've done. And it seems like within the next 24 hours, you are definitely getting something really good and big. So, Aries, that's really nice. If this is a relationship, then the person you were dealing with was extremely immature and now they have spent enough and more time in solitude or in separation to understand the fact you are in separation currently. That person has spent enough time to understand the fact that you are very important to them and now they are coming back with a new offer of love. So that's good. Moving on to Taurus. You have the Queen of Swords, the King of Cups, and the Fool. All right. So I see. See, I can give you very clearly two scenarios. Maybe this is just a general, but for me, very precisely, it comes up as a relationship in this as well, because the King of Cups and the Queen of Swords are there, and there's a new beginning. You see, so I think something went down the drain, even if it's not a relationship, but something, a partnership or something came to an end, and it came to an end really bad, or there was really horrible conversations or communications that happened between you two, between two or three individuals actually. But maybe it can be in regards to a child, is what I'm feeling. But it seems like right now there's this energy of peacemaking that is surrounded around this entire scenario. This is the current energy, and within this coming 24 hours, you will take a new leap. So there will be a new beginning for you in this situation. Just be careful what you choose as a new beginning, because there are quite a few options. You need to know that when you choose something, when you take a new chance, it does impact people around you, you know. So definitely you must always consider your happiness and your needs, but also if someone is very near and dear to you, you need to understand their circumstances as well, especially if there are kids involved, because I specifically have a feeling there are kids involved in this. So Taurus, that's nice for you. You have new beginnings coming up. Moving on to Gemini, you have the Five of Cups, the Knight of Cups, and the King of Wands. So Gemini, I see you had lost something, or you were feeling regretful about the loss of something. It's like you weren't noticing what you still have. You kept feeling like, okay, what went down was most important and you've lost it. You were very sad about that. That's the kind of regret that you were feeling. But it seems like either you or someone is making a move, okay, to restore that back to normalcy. Whatever was fallen down or whatever was the regret, if you were the reason. So say for example you're in this partnership, this deal, okay, and if that deal goes down the drain, if you felt that you were the reason that the deal went down the drain, then you are taking an effort to make it right. But in the other hand, if it was someone else who, because of whom the deal went down the drain, then that person is taking an effort to make it right, and I do see that they will be successful. I do see they will be successful. And if you're a female and you were in a relationship with a guy who has longer brown hair, then I definitely see him taking a move towards you. All right, that's nice, Gemini. Cancer, you have the Lovers, the Six of Cups, and the Page of Cups. All right. So I think I should name the title Reconciliation today because I think that's the overall energy over here. So Cancer, you had a choice to make, or someone had a choice to make, and it took a lot of time for this person to make a choice or for you to make a choice, and there was a lot of indecision over here. Again, I feel a lot of family involved. I do not see this as finance. I do not see this as career. Um, this is very specific. If this is for some particular cancers, then okay. But if it's not going for all, then I'm really sorry because the cards are telling me this is not related to anything else except for family or relations that are important to you. It's related to the emotions. So there was a choice to be taken, and there was no choice taken over here. There was a lot of emotions involved, but still no choice taken, no decisions taken. And now I see there can be gifts coming your way, or you could be giving gifts to someone to reconcile with them or to make things good. So I really feel that the theme of today's reading is reconciliation because it's happening for mostly till now. All the signs that I read till now are having reconciliation in their cards. So way to go, Cancer. You're having a reconciliation. If you don't wish to be with this person, or if you feel this person is toxic, then it's up to you to just reject and not get back. All right, because your mental health is very important and nobody can stop you from that. Leo, you have the Knight of Swords, the Four of Wands, all right, and the Hierophant. Didn't I tell you today the whole thing is around reconciliation? But Leo, there was some very Leo things happening in the past where you have been very brutally honest about something. But what I'm seeing over here right now for the next 24 hours is a really nice positive decision being taken. Okay, decisions are going to be taken within this coming 24 hours in regards to where this stands or where it needs to go in the future. And whatever is the decision, it is going to, it's like something is locked and it's going to unlock it. Like this is the key for it. So today is going to be a very important day for you because the center of the spread is the Four of Wands. That is, if you believe in twin flames, then this is the twin flame 1111 card. Apart from that, I believe probably it's it's a very very good card. It's like the happy celebration joyous card. So for Leo, this is a very good sign. You are definitely going to be taking a decision today, or someone else is going to be taking a decision for you, but it's going to be very major and it's going to impact your life big time. And I'll also like to just put in a small thing that this is guided by the universe. So this was meant to happen. Even the pain was meant to happen. So it's good that it happened in a way because it teaches us lessons, right? So Virgo for the next 24 hours, Four of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. Virgo, over here I don't feel that someone else was holding back. I feel you were holding back. You've been holding, or maybe if it is someone else, but precisely I have a feeling for 90% it's you were holding back. You were not expressing how you truly feel, whether it is sad or happy. You had this entire show put up and it was not very honest and revealing about what is it that you were actually feeling. But now it feels like, the cup is full. There's a lot of happiness, or whatever you're feeling has reached an extreme level, and it seems like you're going to finally open up about it. Again, somehow this can be in regards to finance, but maybe it's like a business deal. But I'm still having a feeling that this is more of a relationship because it has the Ten of Cups in the center. But you're very happy about it, okay? It's going to be like a new, stable, long lasting beginning that starts for you. So this is very nice. This is very very nice. And if you were all dealing with someone who has commitment issues or couldn't express well to you, and that was the issue that यार तुम बोलते क्यों नहीं हो, तुमको कुछ फील हो रहा है तो बताते क्यों नहीं हो, तो आज वो इंसान बताएंगे आपको. So be prepared for that, my Virgos. Moving forward to Libra, you have the Three of Cups, you have the Magician, and the Eight of Cups. All right. So Libras, I see you probably chilling with your friends. To be honest, you've got like all good cards, but I'm still not getting a vibe of very good things. It's like, it's still good in a way. It's like you were probably more focused on friends and the environment around you that you forgot to realize what is it that you want. And lately, you've been realizing that what you want is right there and you can achieve it. So, I see you taking a step towards getting what you want, because see, you have 8 cups full, but to be extremely happy, so you're already happy, but to get like the abundance you need 2 more cups, and I see you moving towards it. So I see you not paying attention to just wasting your time or just relaxing it out or just roaming around with your friends and colleagues, but I see you actually moving forward in the right direction, investing your time to collect those 2 cups that are remaining for you, because you realize that you're the magician of your life and you can get what you want. So this is very nice, Libra. It's just when you move forward, sometimes the road is not very easy, because when you're going to get something that is very good for you, the road is a little difficult. Don't give up. Keep going. This is a very good reading, actually. You're going to get what you want and what you need, so that's good, right? So that's good, Libra. Moving on to Scorpio. Oh, you have the Empress, the Star, and the Queen of Cups. Okay, Scorpio, you came out in your own reading. So Queen of Cups is a water sign, Scorpio, and card. And I see 2 major arcana, so it's a very important day for you. So Scorpio, if you're dealing with, if you had mother issues, there are 2 mother figures in this reading, to be honest. It's if there was a mother who was, very egoistic, it doesn't need to be your mother, it can be someone else's mother who was causing you an issue, or a boss, a female boss, mainly female, okay, who's been causing an issue. I say that, okay, I see 2 scenarios. So probably if there was a female who was causing an issue, who was on a more boss level or a mother, then that person's trying to restore balance or was trying to pour more water out on the wrong side. And this lady is coming to realize what she was doing, and she may try to mellow down a bit or to communicate with you and make things better, like try to tell you what is it that she is feeling if she was causing a lot of emotional or mental stress on you. On the other hand, if this is you, then I see you reflecting in your thoughts today, because you see, Scorpio, there are times when when you get hurt or you are emotionally not in balance or in place, you will close yourself out. It's like if something causes you pain, you will just accept that, okay, this is going to hurt me, so I'm not going to work on it, I'm not going to look at it. I am the queen, I'll just sit up and I will rule, okay, without reflecting or without paying attention to how that actually makes you feel. And one day it reaches a level where it's too much inside, you see. And because it is so much inside, it bursts out, it comes out. So it, just in case if you were holding on to your emotions and just suppressing it and not getting it out, not letting it go into the universe, then it's going to burst out today within the next 24 hours. But if you were just trying to balance things out, then I see you've done a very good job, because you have the Empress and the Queen of Cups. And if you are a mother, then you will need to pay a little attention to your child today, because you have 2 mother cards, again, cards of mothers. But or else you could just straight up front be dealing with 2 mothers in your life. This is a very complicated part, if you see, because there are 2 mothers facing each other and there are like 3 women in the cards. But maybe this is you, and maybe these are 2 other mothers who are involved in your life, who are trying to make things out of place, or maybe you are balancing 2 mothers. But I see you doing a pretty good job. Just that you're going to be a little more in your emotions for the next 24 hours. You're going to feel a little too much, a little too little. You see, your emotions are going to be on the height. But I see hope for you, Scorpio. Moving on to Sagittarius, you have the 7 of Pentacles, the 8 of Cups, and the 2 of Swords. Sorry, 9 of Cups. Sorry about that. So Sagittarius, I see you were waiting for something for a long time. You've put in a lot of work, and now that it's here, you don't know what to do. So it's like, it's like this thing that I was waiting. I know this will happen. I know this will happen. I know this will happen. We planned what was going. So you have planned what's going to happen, but when it comes to you, you don't know what to do after after that thing comes to fruition. You see. So say for example, I'm manifesting that. All right, that laughing Buddha statue over there will come to me. It will come to me. It will come to me. And then if it comes here, I don't know what to do with it. So I don't know whether I'm supposed to keep it back there or I'm supposed to keep it somewhere else, because all I manifested was for it to come to me. But I didn't think about the next action, you see. So whatever you have manifested, whatever you've put in your hard work for is coming to you. But after that, you don't know what to do. So within the next 24 hours, you're getting your wish fulfilled. But you got to realize and think about what exactly you want to do after your wish is fulfilled. Moving on to Capricorn, you have the Tower, the Five of Pentacles, and the Ten of Swords. Oops. Okay, so Capricorn, something went down or something very sudden took place, and it left you feeling very betrayed or sad. And I feel for the next 24 hours, you're going to be feeling, more precisely for the next 5 or 6 hours, you're going to be feeling very 4 to 5 hours. Let's hold on to that. 4 to 5 hours, you'll be feeling very miserable about that still. But I see, but as the day starts to end, you will start to let it go. You'll start realizing that if it's done, it's done. You can't change it, right? You can't change the fact. But I do agree with the fact that you need to feel the pain and let it, release it out. If you're feeling like, if you want to cry, cry. If you want to scream, go to an empty room, scream. If you want to just vent out your pain and there's nobody to listen to you, then go write it down. Please do not suppress it, because only if you suppress it, it just gets worse, you see, because it's built up inside, and then one fine day it'll just burst out. So don't do that. If something's happened and something very sudden has made you feel like, betrayed or heartbroken or cold, and you're not feeling too good about this entire thing, then till the time you want to cry it out, just cry it out. Take your time. Give yourself that time. Be the friend that, be the friend to yourself that you are usually to others. You help others, so help yourself for the first time. But I see in the next 24 hours, there will be pain, but I see you moving forward from that, Capricorn. Moving forward to Aquarius, you have the Nine of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Six of Swords. So, okay, Aquarius, you've been, this is Aquarius, right? Okay, Aquarius, you've been trying to do everything on your own, and you've been very happy about that. All right, you've been very independent and very powerful in your independence. But I see eventually, not everything is possible to be done by one person. You need to sometimes look into the world and ask for help. And I see you currently contemplating that, whether you should or you shouldn't. And what I see in the next 24 hours is you will probably you will be assisting someone, or someone will be assisting you to move into a better place. Probably if things are getting, this can mean physical travel as well. I'm not specifically being stubborn on that. It can mean that you're relocating from one house to the other, but it's also possible that just on an emotional level, you're just trying to move away from one situation to another with the help of some friends, or you're helping some friends to move on. But again, I would say you should acknowledge your pain first, accept it, think about it. Okay, this is hurting me. All right, I understand, and I know the reason why it is hurting me, because till the time you don't accept it, you're just going to move to another place holding that baggage with you, you see, and then later on one day it is going to come back to you. So this is my advice to all sides. Just if you're going through something which is hurting you, or something's bothering you, then just feel it, because only once you feel it will your body, will your soul accept it and realize that it can move past it. Otherwise, you're just going to be carrying a part of it in you. Even if it takes some time, acknowledging the pain will help you grow. But I see you moving forward and with the help of someone. Either you are taking help or you're helping someone. Oh, that's my pup. And moving forward to Pisces, you have the Six of Wands, the Devil, and the Strength. Okay, you have an important day, Pisces. You have two major arcanas in your reading, and I see you were. So if you are someone who's pretty known and in your friend circle and everyone calls out to you and have been waiting for you and wants to meet you and you're that popular kid or you're like this popular person, I see it might have gotten to your head, the popularity, or it's just possible that something just very suddenly happened and your popularity has fallen down or someone just tried to bring you down. But I see you having the strength to face it today. So you need to have the strength just in case you have not faced something like that. It is going to happen within this next 24 hours so that you can face it and tackle the situation headstrong. Just in case someone's trying to steal your limelight, contemplate the situation well and realize that if you are on the right path, then nobody can really steal your limelight. You can probably just go and speak about it. But if you are not perfectly right, or if someone else is doing something better, it's best if you don't go and just try to put a person down. So say for example, there's A and B, and if you are A and you're good, but you're at doing something and B comes and B does something better today, so if people are paying attention to B for today, don't go to try and sabotage B. Try to keep yourself up. So do what's best for you. Don't sabotage another person in the process. And I see that that's the strength you need for today, but I see things going good for you. So that's it for today. Let me pull out a card for whoever needs it. I don't know who you are, but let me check into your energies. We'll take a jumper. Okay. Eight of Pentacles. So if someone's been worrying about work or finances, then don't worry. You have put in your hard work. Finance will come back to you. If this is not in regards to just financial issues, if this is career related, you're worried about a promotion or a job, you will get the job. Or if there's an interview and you're worried whether you will be able to crack this interview, or you're giving it and they're not giving you the results today, then go for it headstrong because you will crack it. Whether they give you the result today or they don't, you will crack it. So in regards to the career sector or financial sector, whoever this is who has a doubt, it's positive. Go for it. That's it for today. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.